to commence works, especially for YSR pre-primary, that is Anganwadis, are approximately 2035 locations low. We still need sites to be identified. This is very, very important. 85% of the brain development takes place before the child reaches 6 years age. So this is the reason why we are focusing so much on pre-primary as well. This is the reason why we are converting these Anganwadis into pre-primary schools. We are making sure English is starting from there. And we are also making sure that facilities there are also taken up in Nadu Nedu so that they are elevated to a pre-primary school level on par with any private schools. So it's very, very important that these Anganwadis have their own buildings. So approximately 2035 locations low, we still need to give them land. So this is very, very important. Please make sure that the collectors focus on that. I think majority of this land would probably be in urban areas. So this is another area where collectors would have to focus on. Please talk to your municipal commissioners. Now that the election process is also over, so please make sure that your municipal commissioners are on the job. The very, very important aspect. And training for the staff of Anganwadis Guda, it's just started. I want the joint collectors and the collectors specifically involved in this aspect. Until you review the progress of training given to these Anganwadi teachers, you will never be in a position to improve the quality of the Anganwadis. So it's very, very important that the training is properly monitored by the collectors.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే తప్పకుండా ఛానల్ని